Hey, Big Brother Pig, could you please listen to me for a moment? I came all the way over here because I really want to tell you something.
Whoa, Rabbit, what are you doing here all of a sudden, buddy? Did something happen?
I was thinking we could go relax together and enjoy some yummy food. So let's go look around and find something tasty to eat, dude.
Yeah, that sounds great, little friend. Let's head out and search for some food. There are so many delicious fruits we can try.
Okay.
Look at this! We found an orange tree! And these oranges look super tasty, you guys.
You are right, friends. They look amazing. But how are we supposed to pick these oranges from the tree?
Let's all work together as a team to pick the fruits, my dear friends. That way, everyone can share and enjoy them. Oh no, this is really hard to do. What are we going to do now, friends?
Oh no!
What?
Hey there, my dear friends. Do you need a little help? Just tell me what's going on, and I'll help you figure it out.
Hey, big guy. We really need your help. We are so hungry. So, could you please bring some of those oranges down for us to eat?
Of course, my buddies. I'll grab them for all of you. Just give me a minute and I'll take care of it.
Thank you so much, big guy. You picked those just for us, and we're all really, really grateful for your help.
It's no problem at all, little rabbit. Enjoy these sweet fruits with your friends and have a wonderful day together.
Let's chew the fat with this dude. Let's ditch this joint and go for a stroll. Let's hop on this tub and cruise.
Why'd this thing grind to a halt?
Beats the hell out of me.
What's the deal?
Jump in the damn water, you moron.
Hell no, I ain't doing that. Ah, that's the stuff.
Now how the hell do we get out of this mess?
What in tarnation is going on?
I'm clueless, dude.
Help, I'm in a pickle.
I'm right here, you dingus. Let's get back on this floating turd. Look behind you, you numbskull!
How the hell do we escape? No way! This ain't happening!
I'm still kicking you, dimwit! Not this time, pal. Super Bowl, my savior.
Looks like someone's in a jam.
So you want to throw down, huh?
We'll see about that.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Mom's totally sacked out. I'm gonna go play for a bit.
All right, today is the day I snag some seriously good grub. Today, you're my dinner, little one. No way!
Whoa, this place is super creepy.
Ha ha ha! You ain't escaping me, kid.
Oh no! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
Sounds like someone's in deep trouble.
help me. Save me from these creepy ants.
All right, I got this. Don't you worry, little buddy.
Thank you for saving me from those creepy ants.
It's all good. Now go straight to your mom and be careful.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Why are you here, dear bison brother? You just scared us.
I came because I wanted to play with you, little one.
Okay, cool. I'll come with you. Let's play together, dude.
Oh no!
Oh no!
What?
Oh no! I think there's a big mess here. What should we do now?
We should tell their parents. Let's go. Okay.
Go, go, go!
What happened? Why does everyone look so worried?
Something happened to the calf.
What? What happened to my cutie? There's no one around. Where could we find him?
I'll help her. Come on, let's go.
Hey, tell me what's wrong. I'll help sort it out. My child's missing. Please help me find him.
Don't worry. I'll take care of it.
I really love playing this game with you, big guy.
Me too, little bro. Let's play again.
Hey, Superman! You came to play with us?
Hey, bro, no problem. Come join us. Nah, friends. I came here for a reason.
A reason? What reason?
Your family thinks you're lost somewhere. Oh no! What should we do now? Don't worry. I'll let them know right away. Your calf is safe and sound.
I want to see him right now! Mom, don't worry! I'm safe! We were just playing!
All right, now we can all go home joyfully.
Hit the like button and subscribe.
Don't go any further, kiddo. It's gonna rain heavily.
Oh shit!
Oh yeah!
Help, help, help! Somebody save me!
Ah, thank you, Super Cow.
It's raining heavily. Be careful.